This is my first time using avocado mask pads, and they're super cool. You stretch them out, put them on, and then avocado is really nourishing for your skin. It also has ingredients like Centella, which is good if you have sensitive skin, and a thing called blue complex. So this is what it looks like. You get 80 pads in there, and you get this little picker-upper. So let's pull one out, and when I pulled it out, a few came out, so I am gonna have to pull them apart. Okay, so they just look like circular, but again, you can stretch them, and then you're gonna, oops, don't stretch too hard. I broke that one. See, learning curve already. And then you can put it on, let's say your forehead, and you just let it sit there for like 10 minutes. You can put it all over your face. You put it on your cheeks. I'm gonna use another one. You can put it on your neck. Let's see if I can stretch this one a little better. So kind of more gently with the stretching. And then I kind of get that crepey skin here. So let's go ahead and put it there. And I'm gonna put another one right on top of it. You can use this day or night. And again, just like leave that on for 10 minutes. So I'll be back in a little bit, and then anything extra you can just kind of rub into your skin as well. All right, I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, we're at that 10-minute point. I'm really curious to see the results because my neck has kind of felt tingly the whole time. Not necessarily in a great way, but just a little tingly. My forehead, nothing. So I don't know what's up with that. And then I did have to put these back on a couple times because I was moving around and they would like fall off. So just know they don't like stick on as great. Although this one has like stayed flawlessly. So I don't know, maybe just my neck. Okay, let me rub that in. Everything good there, very hydrated. Nothing like immediate that I can see, but I think as with anything with skincare, you got to do it like again and again and again. So that was the neck. Okay, let's check out the forehead. And then I'm just going to rub the rest in. So my forehead feels very smooth, and you can see it's got like a really nice glow to it compared to the rest of my face, which didn't have the avocado pad on it. So I am loving seeing that result right there, that immediate result. These are great. I think you're gonna find a lot of good uses for them. And also, if you don't wanna wear it like a mask, if you just wanna use one just to like wipe your face down, I've done that as well. And I feel like it gives you that instant hit of hydration and works great too, but the longer you keep them on, the better.